One of the fastest ways to get food on the table is to stir-fry food. Today, gagawa tayo isang Asian-inspired dish, chicken and mushroom stir-fried noodles. Let's start cooking! When stir-frying, it's very important that you have a very hot pan, and secondly, it has like a rounded bottom, so it's easier for you to toss. So I have my wok, and I will just show you. This wok is so special. Diba? Kita ba? Sabihin niya kung gusto niyo ng mga simple pans, but for now, it's exclusive to me. I'm using chicken thigh fillets and cut into strips, and I will just season with a little soy sauce. Little bit of, ito siya, black pepper. Yan. I also have here mushrooms, fresh mushrooms. I have some leeks. I will use the white part for my stir fry. White part, cut diagonally. The green part, I will use later to finish the dish. Yan. Sobrang dali lang. Gisa-gisa lang tayo. And my sauce, ito, sobrang easy. You can use chicken stock or water. I'm using water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, sriracha or hot sauce, and sesame oil. Sobrang bilis lang ng ating recipe. Now, hot pan, oil, chicken, napaka-simple. Saute. Add our mushrooms. Very important to saute your mushrooms to bring out the flavor. Black pepper, a little salt, toss. So you can use dried shiitake mushrooms, fresh shiitake mushrooms, canned mushrooms kung gusto mo. Yan. So you can use anything you like, no? And immediately add my pre-mix sauce. Once your sauce is boiling, tikman natin. Masarap ba? Very nice. As soon as your sauce is boiling, you can add your noodles to cook. Yan. So soak your rice noodles. I'm using flat rice noodles today. Add that, but you can use any noodle you want. You can use egg noodles. Let that cook. This will absorb the sauce. You can add a little bit of sugar or honey if you want a bit of sweetness. But it's just perfect as it is. Yan. Sobrang simple to do. And we're almost done. Add our leeks. Toss, toss, toss. And ang bilis lang, di ba? Pag nagmamadali, gisa lang ang katapat. Yan. For our noodles. To finish, you can drizzle a little bit more sesame oil and top with chicharon, chopped chicharon, and fried garlic. Ay, ang sarap ng ating recipe today. Eto, ano pang gagawin natin? Titikim tayo. Yan, pero wow. Very nice. Alam mo, yung masarap talaga sa noodles, yung bagong luto, no, sobra pang init. Pero minsan, if it's really too hot, napapasok ka din. Ito, perfect na to. 1, 2, ready? Panalo. And ito na, ating pangmabilisang ulam, gisa, dalawa, tatlo. At meron na tayong chicken and mushroom stir-fried noodles. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!